For division, the rule of logarithm is log of m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. The division is converted into subtraction. Now consider a very simple division, 36 divided by 9. Now where number in the denominator, we have to subtract its log. So this is equal to anti-log of into bracket log of 36. Now 36 characteristic is 1. For 36, decimal is after 6.00. So 36 is greater than 1. Now count the number of digits to the left of the decimal. There are 2 digits. Subtract 1 from it. So 1 is the characteristic. For 9, the decimal is after 9.000. Number of digits to the left of decimal are 1. Subtract 1 from it. So 0 is the characteristic for 9. Let us find the log of 36 now. 36.00. The group of numbers would be 36, 00. Characteristic is 1 point. Locate 36 in first column. So here is 36 in first column. Mark its row. This is the row of 36. Locate 0 in first row. This is 0 in first row. And no mean difference, since the fourth digit is 0. Now take the intersection of 0 with the row of 36. So this is 5563. So the log of 36 is 1.5563. Let us write it here, 1.5563. Now let us find the log of 9. To find log of 9, let us group the digits as 9000. So 90, locate 90 in first column. So here is 90 in first column, then 0 in the first row, and 0 mean difference, so no mean difference. So mantissa is 9542, and therefore log of 9.000 is 0.9542. Let us write it here, 0.9542. Now since 9 in the denominator, we have to subtract its log from the log of 36. Let us subtract it. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. Now 5 minus 9, not possible because 5 is less than 9. So borrow 1 from 1. So it would be 15 now. 15 minus 9, 6. Since we have borrowed 1 from 1, reduce 1 by 1. So it is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So antilog of 0.6021. Now antilog of 0.6021. Here is 0.60 in the first column, 2 in the first row. Now take their intersection. They intersect at 3.999 and mean difference of 1. So mean difference corresponding to 1 is 1. So let us add this to 3999. Therefore 3999 plus mean difference 1 and 3 plus 1 4. So 4000 is the antilog. So this is equal to 4000. Give decimal after the first digit and multiplied by 10 raised to the power characteristic, that is 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Verified? Yes, of course. 36 upon 9 is 4. So this is how we have to calculate division using log table. Example, 0.002342 multiplied by 3.142 divided by 99.12 multiplied by 7.239, that is equal to antilog of. Now here let us first add the logs of numerator and denominator and then subtract them separately. Like the characteristic of 0.0023 is, the number is less than 1, so count the number of zeros between the decimal and first non-zero digit towards right, which is 2. There are 2 zeros, add 1 to it, so 2 plus 1, 3, make it negative. Bar 3 is the characteristic of 0.002342. Now the characteristic of 3.142, the number is greater than 1, there is only 1 digit to the left of decimal, subtract 1 from it. So 0 is the characteristic of 3.142. Now let us perform the multiplication in the denominator as well. Add the logs of numbers in the denominator. Now 99.12. there are two digits to the left of the decimal. Subtract 1 from it. So 1 is the characteristic. 7.239, the characteristic is 0. Now let us find the log. That is, let us find the mantissa now. Now to find the mantissa of 0.002342, we have to consider first 4 non-zero digits. The first 4 non-zero digits are 2, 3, 4, 2. Now we have to group them as 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, locate 2, 3 in the first column. So here is 2, 3. Locate 4 in the first row. Here is 4. Find their intersection. Their intersection is 3, 6, 9, 2. Mean difference is 2. So here is the mean difference. And so the mean difference is 4. Add 4 to it. So this is 3696 mantissa. Now let us find the mantissa for 3.142. So the group is 3142. Locate 31 in first column. So here is 31. Then 4 in the first row. So here it is 4. Take their intersection. So this is intersection 4969. So mean difference for 2 is 3. Add 3 to it. 9 plus 3 12. Carry forward 1. 6 plus 1 7. So it is 4972. Let us add these two. 6 plus 2 8. 9 plus 7 16. Carry forward 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 6 16. Carry forward 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. And bar 3 plus 0 is bar 3.8668. Now these are the logs in the numerator. We will subtract the sum of logs in the denominator from it. Now let us find the mantissa for logs in the denominator. 9912. The group of digits is 9912. Okay, now let us locate 9912 here. So this is 99, the row of 99. Now locate 1 in the first row. This is 1, and let us mark its corresponding column. The intersection is at 9961. And mean difference for 2. Now mean difference for 2. This is mean difference for 2. The mean difference is 1. And therefore the mantissa is 9961 plus the mean difference 1. Now 9961 plus 1 is equal to 9962. Let us write it here, 9962. Let us now find the mantissa for 7.239. So group of digits would be 7239. Let us locate 72 in the first column. So here it is 72. Locate 3 in the first row. So this is 3 in the first row. Take their intersection. 8591 is the intersection. And mean difference of 9. So mean difference of 9 is 5. Add 5 to it. 8596 is the mantissa. 0.8596. Let us add these. 6 plus 2 8. 9 plus 6 15. Carry forward 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 9 15. Carry forward 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 9 18. Carry forward 1. 1 plus 0 1 plus 1 2. So now we have to perform this subtraction. Bar 3.8668 minus 2.8558. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now bar 3 minus 2. Now treat this bar 3 minus 2 as minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to minus 5. But remember, this is a characteristic, so we have to write it as bar 5.0110. Now to find its antilog, we have to make a group of 0.0110. Now let us locate 0.01 in the first column. So this is 0.01, 1 and no mean difference. So the intersection is at 1026. So this is equal to 1026. Give decimal after the first digit and raise the characteristic as a power of 10. Since it is bar 5, so the power of 10 is 10 raised to minus 5. So this is the final answer. Now let us find the root of a number using log table. Now consider square root of 64. Now this can be written as 64 raised to 1 upon 2. So that is equal to anti-log of 64 raised to half. Now according to the rule of logarithm, this half is shifted as the coefficient of the log. So this is equal to anti-log of half into log of 64. That is, we have to find the log of the number whose root is to be calculated, divided by its root. If it's a square root, divide by 2. For cube root, divide by 3, and then find the anti-log. Okay. Now let us evaluate it. So that is equal to anti-log of log of 64. 64 can be written as 64.00. Now to the left of decimal, there are 2 digits. Subtract 1 from it. So 1 point. So 1 is the characteristic. Let us find its mantissa, divided by 2. To find mantissa, the group is 6400. Let us locate 64. So here it is 64, 0. Let us take their intersection. So the intersection is 8062. No mean difference for 0. So the mantissa is 8062. Now divide this by 2. So that is equal to 2 9s are 18, 0.9, 0, 0, 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are 2. So this is equal to anti-log of 0.9031. Now to find the anti-log, the group of digits is 0.9031. Let us locate 0.90. So this is 0.90. 3 in the first row. This is 3 in the first row. So intersection is 7998 and mean difference of 1. Now the mean difference of 1. So this is the mean difference of 1, which is 2, and therefore the mantissa is 7998 plus mean difference 2. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry forward 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry forward 1. 9 plus 1, 10, carry forward 1. So 8000 is the mantissa. So anti-log is equal to 8000. Decimal after the first digit and 10 raised to the characteristic, which is 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So final answer is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. You can verify this whether it is correct. So square root of 64 is equal to 8. Very correct using the log table. Anti-log of the log of 63.28. Characteristic of 63.28 is 1 point divided by 3. Now let us find the mantissa for 63.28. 63 to 8. Locate 63. This is 63. 2 in the first and 8 the mean difference. Now let us find their intersections. Now intersection with second column is 8007. And the mean difference for 8 is 5 plus 5. So this is 8012 because 7 plus 5 is 12. So the mantissa is 8012. Let us divide this log by 3. Now we can't divide 1 by 3. So 0.18. 3 6 are 18. 0. Then 0 and 3 4s are 12. Now let us find the anti-log of 0.6004. 0.6004. Look at 0.600 and mean difference 4. Let us find their intersection. Now intersection with 0 is 3981 and mean difference for 4 is 4. So add 1 plus 4 5, 8 9 3. So the mantissa is 3985. So the anti-log is 3985. So this is equal to 3985. Decimal after the first digit 3.985 multiplied by 10 raised to the characteristic 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1, and so the final answer is 3.985, which seems to be fairly correct because this is close to 4 and cube of 4 is 64. Find the square root of 9242. This is equal to anti-log of 0.9242. Now 0.9242 is less than 1, and therefore to find characteristic, count the number of zeros between decimal and the first non-zero. There is no 0 between decimal and 9. Add 1 to it. 0 plus 1 1, make it negative, so the characteristic is bar 1 point. We'll find the mantissa, and since we are calculating square root, divide it by 2. Now to find the mantissa, the group of digits is 9242. Locate 92 in first column. This is 92. 4 in the first row, 4, and mean difference corresponding to 2. So mean difference corresponding to 2. Okay, now the intersections are at 9657 plus mean difference 1, that is equal to 9658. So let us write 9658 here. Now since we treat characteristic differently than the mantissa, here you cannot divide bar 1 by 2. Now in such cases, when we cannot divide the characteristic directly by the denominator, we have to adjust the characteristic according to the denominator, like anti-log of, now we cannot divide bar 1 but we can divide bar 2 by 2. So write bar 1 as bar 2 plus 1.9658, total divided by 2. Now divide. So bar 2, treat it like minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So in case of characteristic it is bar 1. So that is equal to the anti-log of bar 2 divided by 2 is bar 1 plus, now let us divide 1.9658 by 2. Now this is 0.29 is 18, remainder 1, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, and 2 9 is 18. So it is 0.9829. Now remember, here directly we have to write bar 1 plus 0.9829 as bar 1 0.9829. Now these steps are very important while calculating the root when the characteristic is directly not divisible by the denominator. So we adjusted this bar 1 as bar 2 plus 1, then we divided bar 2 and the next number separately, and while adding these two we have to directly write that as bar 1.9829. Let us find the anti-log of 0.9829. Look at 0.98. So here is 0.98. Then in first column, then in first row we have to locate 2. So this is 2. And the mean difference of 9. Obviously the last mean difference. And therefore the mantissa is 9594 plus the mean difference 20. So 4, 9 plus 2, 11. Carry forward 1, 6, 9. 9614. So this is equal to 9614, decimal after the first digit, and 10 raised to the characteristic, that is bar 1, so power is minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1 can be written as divided by 10, and therefore 9.614 divided by 10, the final answer is 0.9614. Next, find cube root of 0.03422. This is equal to anti-log of 0.03422 divided by 3. Now this number is less than 1, so count the number of zeros between decimal and the first non-zero towards right. There is 1 0, add 1 to it, 2, make it negative, so bar 2 is the characteristic. Let us find mantissa now. 34 2 2. Look at 34 in the first column. So this is 34 in first column. 2 in the first row. This is 2 in the first row. And mean difference corresponding to 2. Therefore the intersections are 5340, plus the main difference 3. So that is equal to 5343. Let us divide it now. Now once again, bar 2 is not divisible by 3. So we have to adjust the bar 3 in terms of the denominator. So that is equal to bar 3 plus 1.5343 divided by 3. That is equal to antilog of bar 3 divided by 3. Now bar 3 divided by 3, bar 1 point. Now divide this. 3 5s are, so 0.5, 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Remainder 1. Now 3 4s are 12. It's enough now up to 4 digits, because in log table we need only 4 digits. So bar 1.5114. Let us find antilog now. 0.5114. Locate 0.51 in the first column. So 0.51. 1 in the first row. So this is the intersection 3 2 4 3, and mean difference corresponding to 4. So mean difference corresponding to 4 is 3. So add 3 to it. So this is 3246 antilog is. So this is equal to 3246 decimal after the first digit multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 1, because characteristic is bar 1. Now 10 raised to minus 1 can be written as divided by 10. So 3.246 divided by 10, and so the final answer is 0.3246.